Welcome back, everybody. It's Jeff again with J&K Stay in Vegas with another episode of Where's My Coffee, Where's My Room for 26 and beyond. This time, we're at New York, New York. As you can see behind me, we're going to take a whole new 2026 tour, see what new restaurants are here, see what new venues are here, and get you all updated for New York, New York here in Las Vegas for 2026. All right, let's get inside and not waste another minute. Let's go. All right, everybody, let's get this tour of New York, New York started with this another episode of Where's My Coffee, Where's My Room. So as we come through the front door, hotel registration is over that way. We'll get to that in a moment. But just like the rest of our Where's My Coffee, Where's My Room, we're going to head over to our right-hand side. Just all of a sudden you're hit with machines. That's all right. Your high limits over here. Look at this pretty tree. So lots to see here at New York, New York. There are also many different hotel towers. So this will be really good for you to keep an eye on. You got a Harley Davidson store down there. All right, let's keep heading over to the right here. A little cubic zirconia place. And we're gonna head up here. We're gonna head up to the mezzanine shops, and I'll show you there's this area, and then there's another area that you should be mindful of as well. All right, we're gonna first head to the right. You can see the pizzeria place over here, Wing Zone and Capriotti's. They have their famous Thanksgiving sandwich. You should check it out if you haven't before. They got the Pour Bar here. We did a happy hour video on that you could check out. So if you're wondering where Coyote Ugly is, it's right down here. They don't allow you to take pictures or video, just to keep that in mind. That's why you probably won't see very many videos of it. We'll get a better look at it when we turn around here. Gelato place. This used to be a Haagen-Dazs, actually. Auntie Anne's here. And Nathan's Famous. Let me go out this door and show you where this leads to. New York can especially get confusing. All right, so here we are. So if you continue going straight, that will head to Excalibur, Luxor, Mandalay Bay. But we're gonna head back in and get your bearings about this very confusing property, New York Cookie Bar. Last custard stand, that's kind of funny. There's that Coyote Ugly. A little better look. This food hall was not here when we did our last Where's My Coffee, Where's My Room tour. Again, we did those tours back in 2022 and 2023, so a lot can change in 3 to 4 years here in Vegas. So that's why we are doing all these updated videos so that you can have the most up-to-date information, you don't get lost, all that other stuff. So straight across the way is MGM Grand, as you can see there. And across the way there is where the Tropicana used to stand. No longer. It's now going to be the A's ballpark if that ever gets finished. Let's head back inside. Actually, let me show you this view one quick second. It's a good place to get a picture as it goes down or up the strip, so to speak. This is really pretty at night to get a nice cool picture of yourself. All right, let's head back inside. Keep to the right. So Hershey Chocolate World is over here. 2 floors. Every kind of chocolate you can think of. You can see Reese's here. They have massage chairs over here. That's always nice for especially your feet all the time walking. And you get a nice cool view here of the casino floor. But I got to show you where those hotel rooms are, the different hotel towers, and of course those closest places to get coffee in case you really need a pick-me-up at, say, 7 o'clock in the morning when you want to get your day started. So we're not going to go through the center. We're going to head to the right again. There's the downstairs of Hershey World. And then you got the chocolate bar here. Got another entrance exit down here right next to 9 Fine Irishmen. I've actually eaten there a long time ago, way before we even did our channel. And I have to say, it's really good food. I would recommend. it is in there. All right, let's continue on. Keeping that New York theme up above. We've had a lot of people that have said, oh, thank you, Jeff. This made our trip so much easier watching your Where's My Coffee, Where's My Room series. Nectar here, kind of like Lush. Nice smelly soaps and stuff. Swatch here. This has been here for a long time. And here is your other Starbucks. The other Starbucks, we're going to have to see the lobby location, and I'll show you exactly where that is. There's your hours right there. As I was saying in the previous video, a lot of times they have these Starbucks that are only open until early afternoon. So you really have to keep that in mind. They're not open all the time. And this will take you right to the strip onto the area where the Brooklyn Bridge is out there. Tom's Watch Bar, this is new. It used to be called Tom's Urban. I would recommend. We've eaten here a couple of times. And it's actually really good, especially to watch some sports and all that. Really good spot. Gonzalez E. Gonzalez, you want some Mexican food? Have not tried this place though. A $24.95 enchilada special. 48th and Crepe. We have another place you can get coffee. Greenberg's Deli here. So many really cool details and everything to look at all throughout New York, all this miniature scale buildings of New York. They used to have actual steam that came out of these manhole covers. Not anymore. Fulton Fish Fry right there. And we'll keep continuing to our right. Right up next to us, Broadway Burger Bar and Grill. And I'll show you where that box office is in just a second. I want to show you what's out these doors. As if you can't already tell, Matt Apple there. If you can't tell, that's why this property is really confusing, because there's so many entrance and exit doors. So that's why I think that showing you this will hopefully get you acclimated to walking around at least this property. So here we are. This is the park. Park MGM is right across the way. You have Top Round over here, and you got a whole bunch of restaurants, beer houses and such, all down here by T-Mobile Arena. Let's keep going. We've done a walk with Jeff through that area, so if you want to see what's exactly down there, search for it on our channel. The whole playlist of our Walk with Jeff series. Who says Vegas is expensive? This is the box office to Matt Apple. I'll show a clip or two. We recorded this, but we've never released it. So very fun show. I'd highly recommend. So I was telling you about all the different hotel elevators. This is the Chrysler elevator. So if you're staying in the Chrysler Tower, that is right over here, all the way back by the Matt Apple Theater. So keep that in mind. Some restrooms over here. They even got their own bar over here. Greenwich Village Coffee and Shake. This is another place you can get coffee. This place, I believe they were doing some remodeling last time we were here. So from 2022, they've kind of updated things. Here's some of the pricing on coffee, and they're going to have some breakfast sandwiches. Up here to the right, I'll show you that a little bit later, where the Big Apple roller coaster is. Down here's another little pathway. Gallagher's Steakhouse is over here. And it's good that they have these different coffee places, because you have so many different towers, so you could be staying at any numerous one of them. Dueling Pianos is at that Center New York Times bar right over there. Chin Chin and your New Yorker elevators are over here, along with the entrance to Gallagher. So if you want to go to Gallagher's, you're staying at the New York elevators, you're in luck. Again, this is Chin Chin. They do have a buffet here, American style brunch buffet. We've done as I was saying before, we've done a whole happy hour video of the MGM properties, so you can check that out on our channel. Prices might be a little different. We did that a couple of years ago, but you can at least get an idea of who does happy hours. El Foranio, an Italian restaurant over here. You got their own bar in here as well. There's that happy hour I was telling you about. Again, search on our channel, you can see all the happy hour specials that Christina and I did a video on. The Century elevators are right over here. You want to know where those are. This is a Haagen-Dazs and Cinnabon place. This used to actually be a little French cafe when we did our last Where's My Coffee, Where's My Room. Now you can get some sweet treats there. The All-American restaurant. This is open 24 hours. Really good food, actually. Good portions. Save on some money. That's a good place to go if you want some late night eats and treats. All right, we're sticking to our right. Just for point of reference, a quick look. That's where we came in and started the tour down there. And here's where that other Starbucks is. This was not here when we did our Where's My Coffee, Where's My Room for the last time. They're open from 6 a.m. to 7 p.m. and 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. as you can see there. So this would be a great place to get coffee in the morning, especially, as you're going to see here, especially if you're staying in the Empire Tower, because these are your Empire elevators right here. They do have a registration desk right over here. They also have a lot of kiosks here. Outside of here is the pool. We are in wintertime. The pools, most of the pools in Vegas are closed in the wintertime. They reopen in March in the spring, so keep that in mind. If you're from a colder climate and you can deal with the colder temperatures in a pool, well, we don't do that here, unfortunately. Parking is up there, self-parking, that is. The Noir Platinum Lounge here. So this right here used to be the front desk, and they made that just a small little area with kiosks. Kind of disappointing because you don't get that one-on-one service. Try to automate everything. Let me know if you like the automation of just checking in at a kiosk or if you actually like going to the bell desk. There's that Starbucks. Let's head straight back down here again. I'll speed this up and we'll get up to the second floor where if you do have kids along or you're a kid at heart, you can take advantage of the big arcade and the Big Apple roller coaster. Let's go and show you where all of that is and where that other staircase was, where we were just at, so you can get in your bearings of this entire property here at New York, New York for 2026 and beyond. All right, first look as we come up the escalator here. You got Nathan's Famous, a second location from the one we just saw earlier. So they have that up here. Malts, hot dogs, cheesesteak, all that stuff is here. So if you want something casual, you can come up here. Coaster and arcade is right over here on the right-hand side. I'll show you what the current pricing is. You can get, here's all the packages here. So if you want an all-day pass, $65. And then we've got to go on to the other side because down here is just the meeting rooms and your self-parking on the second level. All right, let's head back. All right, everybody. So I'm coming back here to show you where a couple of these other places here. Gonna take you down the middle and then head back upstairs because we missed a couple of these spots. So Cerritos is right here. We saw the Times Square bar right over here where they have the dueling pianos. We got an outside bar here and inside one. Times Square hot dogs is over here. Only $10, sarcasm included. So here is at 48th and Crepe. You made it past your hotel rooms. You can come over here. And as you can see here, they're only open till the early afternoon too, 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. All right, let's cut back here in the middle since we didn't go down here. Just to give you a lay of the land, this is our Greenwich Village coffee and shake place right here. We're gonna keep going and head up here, up these stairs, and show you where this Big Apple roller coaster is. Now, where I just showed you, you can go through the arcade, get that whole pass thing, but if you just want to hit the roller coaster, you can go up this way and scan a QR code and you can skip the sales line. So here's the arcade and everything. And the Big Apple coaster entrance is right over here. Lockers. People coming out here. It's pretty expensive to ride it. It is a very rough roller coaster, by the way. I have been on it. And if you haven't been on a roller coaster in a while, it might take a little bit out of you. All right, let's head back downstairs and finish up this video of New York, New York. Where's my coffee, where's my room for 2026 and beyond.
I took a stroll downtown this evening when I heard music echo through the night.
Well, everybody, that's going to do it for this edition of Where's My Coffee, Where's My Room for New York, New York for 2026 and beyond. Hope you've enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a big old thumbs up and subscribe to J&K Stay in Vegas. Take it one step further. Turn on those bell notifications so you can be alerted to every time we post a new video, just like this from New York, New York, or when we go live like we do every Saturday night. All right, everybody, until the next one, stay safe and stay silly. Bye-bye, everybody.